Hi guys, and welcome back to Love It Stitch It. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to change the colours of your design. You can easily select the colours that you'd like to add to your project palette by using the search function. You can search by the colour name or the thread code. Here, for example, DMC code 221. To remove a colour from your palette, simply click on the bin icon next to the colour you'd like to remove and it's gone. It's really easy to replace a colour with another one. Just select the one you'd need to change and what you'd like to replace it with, and then you're good to go. There are multiple view options you can use while working on your design. If you select one of the options on the right-hand side, it will change the view for you. To see what your design would look like on a different colour fabric, go up to the top and click on Edit, next Fabric Colour, then select from the options in the drop-down list. Click on Apply and it will show in your design so you can see what it looks like with different fabric colours. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and design ideas, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or join the Love It Stitch It Facebook group for inspiration. Enjoy designing!